Now again we'll convert the fractional decimal to binary. Fractional decimal. Last lecture we have gone to the integer decimal to binary. But now we are going to convert from what? Fractional decimal to binary. The number which will be converting to binary is in fraction. So we will have to get the binary number into fractional form. So I'll write here what? 0.32. See the method of writing how to solve this example. You have to multiply the given number by 2 every time. Multiply the given number by 2. Now find out the answer after multiplying. Here it is 0.64. Okay. Here you consider this as say carry. Okay. I will write here as with carry 0. Okay. Whatever integer you are getting, that will be 0 or 1. Because you are multiplying by each time by 2, and every time you will be taking the next number which is to be multiplied, that will be in fractions. That's why when you multiply this fractional number by 2, the answer will be 1 or 0. What I am saying that you will come to know now what we are doing. See 0.64 with carry 0. Whatever integer is there that will be said to be carry. Now here 0.64 we have got. I will write here 0.64. Again multiply this by 2. This will give you 1.28. This will give you 1.28. Again I will write here what? With carry. Right now as I had told you, here 1. Whatever integer is there, you consider it as carry. Now take this fractional part for the next multiplication by 2. I will write here as 0.28 into 2 is equal to 0.56. Again here integer is 0. I will write here as what? With carry what? Here it is 0. I will write the carry as it is. Now again take this 0.56. 0.56 into 2 is equal to 1.12 with carry again what? 1. With carry again what? 1. Now you consider again this fractional part. This integer part we have considered as carry. Now consider for the next multiplication as 0.12 into what? 2. Okay. This will be again what? 0.24 with carry what? Here integer part is what? 0. With carry 0. Now come to answers will be all these carries. Okay. I will write here what? Top. I will write here as what? Bottom. Okay. Physically this is top and this is what? Bottom. Now note down all these carries from what? From top to bottom. Note down all carries from what? Top to bottom. Write the answer as 0.32 base 10. I will write here as what? 0.32 base what? 10. Now note down all the carries from what? Upside to downside. Here what it is? 0, 1, 0, 1, 0 is equal to, I will write what? 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Don't forget to write here point. Okay, I will write here as 0.0101. Once again I will tell you the answer you write from record from what? Top to bottom. Write 01010. Okay, 0 0 1 0 1 0. But as this is the fractional number here, as this is fractional number, point is there, so answer will be also in fractions. So I will write here as again point, and I will write here the required answer is in binary form. So I will make bracket for this. Okay, I will enclose this with bracket. So this is the method of converting from what? Fractional decimal to binary. Once again, let us see the procedure. 0.32 into 2.64 with carry 0. Again, here you write 0 because whatever integer here we are getting, you write it as with carry whatever you are getting integer. Now this 0.64, the number after point is 0.64. You write here 0.64 into 2 is equal to 1.28. With carry what? Again integer is what? 1. Again consider this point, fractional part, digits after point, 0.28. 0.28 into 2 is equal to what? 0.56. With carry what? 0. Again 0.56 into 2 is equal to what? 1.12. Again integer as what? Here carry. With carry what? 1. Next, don't consider this 1. Consider this as what? 0.12, as we have done in the upper side. So 0.12 into again what? 2. This will be 0.24 with carry what? 0. Now note down all carries from what? From top to bottom. Okay, what we have got here? 0 1 0 1 0. I have written here what? 0 1 0 1 0. But here point is to be considered. Here 0 point we have written. So in this way, conversion of what? Fractional decimal to what? Fractional decimal to fractional binary, obviously. Now let us see one more example. That example is from what? 0.25. Convert this 0.25 fractional decimal. I will here write it here as base 10 is equal to what? X base 2. X we have to find. Now again you write, every time you multiply what? By multiply by 2. 0.25 into 2 is equal to what? 0.50. Again here whatever integer is there, you note it as carry. I will write here as with carry again what? 0. Again what will be there? Here you consider fractional part for next multiplication. 0.50 into 2 is equal to what? 1.00. With what? Carry. With carry again what? Here integer part is what? 1. Again what is there? 0.00 is left. 0.00 into 2 is equal to what? 0.00. I will write here what? Integer part is with carry 1. Now note down all carries from what? Top to bottom. Note down all carries from what? Top to bottom, and write answer as 0.25 base 10 is equal to what we have obtained here? 0 1 1. But after you have to write point. You write here as point what? 0.011 base 2. So this is the final answer. 0.25 base 10 is equal to 0.011 base 2, and write down this from what? Top to bottom. Write down this from what? Top to bottom. This means what? All carries you have to note down. All carries will be noted down in this way. And here we have got what? 0 1 1. But this you have to write as in answer after the binary point. Here it is called as decimal point. As this is decimal number system, and here I will call it as binary point, as this is the binary number system. This will be using only two symbols, that is from what, 0 and 1. Only two symbols this number system is using, and this number system is called as what, binary number system. So this is called as point, and I will say this as binary point instead of the decimal point. So this was about what, conversion from what, fractional decimal to fractional binary. So this was about conversion. Okay, we'll stop now.